here with Flea Market Flipper to bring you the flip of the week. That's right, guys. We have the flip of the week this week, and if you can see it, I just palleted it up. It is a plasma welder. We picked this sucker up a while back, paid $100 for it, sold it for $1,500 plus. I think it was $199, $200 on shipping. So I just got done, if you guys can see it, I just got done building the pallet. I built this one from scratch. I got done building it and built the sides on it. So it is actually getting ready to go to the freight terminal. But it is ready to go. Killer flip, $100 into $1,500. And shipping cost me $100 on shipping for the transit from here to, I forget where this guy's at, Louisiana? No, it's further up north. I don't remember. But anyways, it's $100, $109 for shipping. And then the rest of it was my time and my the materials into it. So killer flip. We love these flips. We love when we're able to do make that much money on a flip, $100 to $1,500. So super excited. And yeah, that's it. That is the flip of the week. It is a plasma welder. It's not a cutter. It's a plasma welder. I don't know. We have pictures of it, but I don't know if you can see it in there. I wrapped the whole sucker up. So that's it. All right, you guys rock. Have a great day. See ya.